Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know this is quite different from my main channel, right? Yeah, kind of vlog style-ish, but I know you saw from the title, I'm going to be doing my wash day routine. Yeah, this is a week, but we're going to jump into that portion in a bit. I haven't done a wash day routine, a natural hair wash day routine, and I know that you guys really love the natural hair videos. I don't know, so I'm going to do it here and there, especially since I announced my oil and I started selling it and stuff. By the way, I'll be restocking soon, so I just want to stay tuned to Divinity Glam Instagram page for the updates on that. I just wanted to come to you guys real quick because you saw that in the title. I say I was going to show you guys like my obsession, my green juice obsession. So basically I said why not do it now, because I'm going to make my daily green juice now, and I said why not, especially since I got this. Okay, TEAMI. So this is a tumbler and I got the greens super food. I'm so excited about this. Like, is that weird? Is that weird? So I got my tumbler and my TEAMI green superfood here. So I did not open this as yet, so this is kind of like a little unboxing. I'm so hot. If you see me sweating, excuse that, but yes. So it says has a pop open lid, leaf strainer, BPA free plastic lining, wrist strap, outer shell, storage compartment, and you can do tea or fruit in there. So yeah, this is the box it came in. So this is it. This is the one I got, and I feel like it's perfect for my little green juice thing. And I feel like this is it was a perfect video for me to show you guys, just because it's like all natural, kind of health. I don't know. I felt like it tied in, you know, with everything. So this can be my new little bottle for my green juice. You can see the front: TEAMI green superfood, matcha, spirulina, wheatgrass, dietary supplement. And says it's a nutritious blend of plant-based superfoods, perfect for getting a daily dose of powerful greens into your life. Directions is mix 1 scoop with water, juice, or add to your smoothie, which today is basically going to be that vibe, because I'm going to be doing my green juice slash smoothie. I love doing this. It's become an addiction. I don't know how. Since recently I've been addicted with ginger, and I don't know, I love it. And a lot of times I mix in my like smoothie isopure protein with my green juice, and it tastes really good. So that's the vibes. And what they said this does, what their promise basically is 16 superfood ingredients, 100 plant-based, it's vegan, GMO free, gluten free, dairy and soy free. It's made without fillers, artificial flavors, artificial colors, artificial chemicals. So yeah, I'm pretty psyched about. Oh, and I have a code. My code is PETITE-SUE So if you're interested in this, I'll put it down below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Excuse my nails. Excuse my nails. I'm about to get right real soon, but I'm not ready yet. But yeah, I need to go ahead and sew these off. I haven't done that just yet, so excuse me, forgive me for that. So what I'm going to be putting in my mixture today: a piece of this cucumber, a whole green apple, and ginger. And then I have my TEAMI greens superfood. So I'm very excited about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop this up. Also guys, I already went ahead and washed everything.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see.
So let me go ahead and try this out for the first time. It's very smooth. You can definitely taste that matcha is in there, like that. There's that distinctive flavor, but it's pretty good. It's pretty smooth, you know, pretty good. I love the fact that I added the ginger to it and my other little stuff, you know, kind of give it a little bit more. And as you guys saw, I added some orange juice. That's what that was instead of water. Makes it taste, you know, way better, you know, not so super green. But this is basically good for you to get your daily greens in. So if you had, I don't remember if I mentioned that, but it's just basically good for you to get your daily greens in. I'm very serious about that because I need my skin to be glowing. I need my skin to look popping, and you know, having your daily greens is very important. Yeah guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you with my TEAMI blend. So I'm gonna be drinking this. I'm gonna be adding this to my green juice every day from now on. From time to time I'll update you, but yeah, I said I'd share this. Plus you guys always have so much questions about it, so I'm going to put the link where you can go ahead and get this if you're interested down below in the description box. Don't forget to use my code PETITE-SUE25 for $ off. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into the natural hair wash day. So this is my hair. I just wet it up with some water, and I know it's a weird thing because I don't come on here with my natural hair that much anymore, but I'm going in with my Ox System shampoo. So I use the entire line. This is what I've been using for the past 2 years since I did my second big chop. I haven't used any other line to like on wash day. That's what I told myself before I did my second big shop, that listen, I'm gonna stop experimenting with 1,001 different brands. And so, you know, I used to like work with multiple natural hair brands, but listen, it's not even like they were really good brands, but it's just like when it comes down to like your hair and certain things to do with yourself personally, you can't be trying out everything, and that just go for everything. You cannot be doing 1,001 things. You have to make up your mind and know exactly what you think works best for you and just stick with that. So I pretty much just apply this all over my hair, only shampooed once, and then I proceeded to rinsing it out. Now this shampoo can be quite some water got in my ears. It can be a little bit drying, so you need to make sure you follow through with some good moisturizing methods. So I use the Ox System Booster, which this is the treatment I always go in and use. It's brown, it has molasses in there and such. One time it got in my mouth a little bit if not all the time when I wash my hair. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet, but this really leaves your hair feeling extremely thick, like super thick. It is definitely a booster. I leave this in there for like 10 minutes to really seep in. It says 3 to 5 minutes on the bottle, but you know how we are. I go 10 minutes and it really makes my hair feel so good. Now while waiting, I have to jam to some music. I've been obsessed with that jam. I was jamming. Okay, anyways, that 10 minutes passed and I washed out the hair. It's now time to condition, so I'm going in with the Ox System conditioner, and this is pretty moisturizing, you know. It really helps to bring back the moisture because the booster really does get your hair dry. I'm not gonna lie, it really gets your hair dry, but it gets it really thick. You can definitely feel the difference in your hair instantly whenever you treat it with that treatment. So with the conditioner, I usually just kind of go through my hair section by section and detangle it, take my time with a wide tooth comb, then I'll plait it, because if I don't do this, then when I'm ready to go back through the hair and stuff, like, it will be all entangled again. And we don't want that, right? We don't want no form of entanglement right now, right? I did this right throughout my entire head, and yeah, that's pretty much all I did for wash day itself. This is just the bigger focus of this video, was just really wash day. I don't think I've ever really shown you guys it from this point of view, but yeah, that's pretty much all I did. I let that sit in my hair for like 5 minutes and then I wash it out. I wash it out with the plaits in because I don't want my hair to be entangled. And it kind of helps to lock in some of that moisture. Listen, I'm not even exaggerating. You need the moisture after using the shampoo and the conditioner and the booster. What I'm gonna go in and do is apply my Divinity Growth Oil, and I spray this directly to my roots. It doesn't matter if it gets on the hair shaft itself, but I like to get this on my scalp and kind of massage it in there. And so I just continue working my oil in. Yeah, because my oil is very essential in my hair routine, my hair care routine these days. Like so essential. By the way, follow Divinity Glam to know when the restock is coming up. Okay guys, I'm also out currently. Thank you guys so much for the support. Go through the hair with this first, and then I follow through with this. I use the leave-in conditioner, which is this, and then you have the rejuvenating mist. So yeah, so as you saw, I have the leave-in conditioner and then I have the rejuvenating mist. I sprayed this all over the hair. I didn't feel like doing a wash and wear or anything today, so this is solely a wash day routine because listen, I was completely lost. I was just lost. I'm lost. I don't know how to style my hair, guys. Yes, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Afterwards, I pretty much just decided that, you know what, I'm gonna braid my hair back up and slap on a wig. That's what I did because I couldn't deal with styling my hair right now. It's really thick and it was just, my arms were hurting and I was just tired, so I let my mom braid it up. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.